Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. I'm a registered acupuncturist and yoga teacher. This little chair sequence is a really good one for when you feel a little lull in the day, you're feeling a little tired, and you need a little boost. So instead of grabbing that espresso, that green tea, or just a caffeinated drink, this may be a little short sequence that you may want to do. We're gonna have our feet hip width distance apart, knees on top of the ankles, shoulders stacked on top of the waist. We're always gonna have our crown lifted up to the top of our head and lifting to the sky. And we're gonna try to draw our belly in to the center. Great. Now, we're gonna start our practice with our hands on top of the thighs. I want you to take a deep breath in, exhale out. It's always nice to start with a nice connected breath. Let's go ahead and take our arms all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. Again, breathing in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the heart. Hands up the midline, breathe in. Exhale, sway to the side. Good. Come on back to center, breathing in. Exhale, sway to the side. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, take your arms out, parallel to the floor, relaxing the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, tighten your belly muscles and twist. Good. Come on back to center, breathing in. Exhale, tighten those belly muscles and twist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, unwind those arms and relax them. Let's go ahead and roll the shoulders out. 3, 2, 1. And unlike my doggy Brewster, who's going for that long winter's nap in the afternoon, I want you to start to feel more invigorated. So we're going to go ahead and tap on the top of our shoulder. This is gallbladder 21. So I'm going to take my hand into a gentle fist. I'm going to start to tap here. Remembering, we're going to try to invigorate our bodies and get ourselves a little more excitable so that we don't feel like in that afternoon slump, okay? So we're going to tap up here, inhaling and exhaling, and then I want you to tap all the way down. Tap, 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 tap to the outside of the arm. Turn your palm, tap, 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 tap on the inside of the arm. Good. Go ahead and tap at the top again. Tap, 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 tap down. And then go ahead, turn the hand over, tap, 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 up. 3 times the charm. Down and up. Good. Come across the chest. You can go ahead and tap, 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 and then go to the other side. We're going to continue to tap on the other side, gallbladder 21 on the other side. So this is an acupuncture point. And then go ahead and tap, tap, tap all the way down. Okay? Turn the palm and tap, 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 up. So 3 times, okay? This is 2, down. Don't forget to breathe. Do not hold your breath. And let's go ahead. Last one. Tap, 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 tap. And come across. Good. Shake out the arms. Arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Open up the arms, expanding your energy to the world, to the sky, to the universe. Express your fingertips out. Give them a little wiggle. Draw your belly in. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sway to the side. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Good. Now I want you to start to shake those wrists. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shaking the wrists. Shaking the fingers. Feeling a little more energetic, excitable. Breathing in. And then release. Now, shake it out to the front. Shake it out to the side. And release. Well done. Now, planting that left foot right into the ground, feeling secure and stable. Engage the belly muscles to support your lower back. We're going to go ahead and pull the right knee into the chest. Good. Breathe in. And then exhale, I want you to round the back. Breathe out. Inhale, lifting up. And exhale, release. Planting that right foot down into the earth. Tighten your belly muscles. Let's go ahead and grab the other leg. Breathing in. Breathing out, rounding the back. Notice how my nose is not going to the knee, but it's going to the center. Good. Inhale, lift, and exhale, release. Good. Now you may take your hands on top of the thighs or to the side of the chair. Tight belly, chest up, back straight, shoulders on top of the waist, crown lifted to the sky. Okay, we're going to plant that left foot down into the ground again, lifting the knee up on the opposite side and extending out. Lift and down. Again, tight belly, up, extend, up and down. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Tight belly. In, out, in, and out. So I'm expressing the breath too. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's do one more. In, out, in, and out. How does that feel? Let's go ahead and do the other side. So I'm holding onto the side of the chair. I'm engaging my belly muscles. I'm lifting my chest and I'm lifting the crown of my head. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. Tight belly. In, out with the breath. In and out. Tight belly. In, out. Are you smiling? In and out. In and out. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Tight belly. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. Last one. In, out, in, and release. Well done. Go ahead, extend the legs in front of you. Hands are still on the chair, and I want you to draw the belly and lift your chest up. Inhale and exhale. Now I want you to see if you want to challenge yourself, pressing your feet into the ground and then lifting those hips off of the ground. Ooh, stretching. Breathe in and releasing. Now, you don't have to lift the bum off of the chair, but you can. Okay, release. Come on back to center. Now, how does it feel? Hands on top of the chair or supporting with your hands on top of the thighs. I like to use a chair because I want to make sure I'm really secure and stable. Tighten my belly muscles. I'm lifting both legs and I'm going to go ahead and shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Woo! Great. Release. Perfect. Let's take our hands to the thighs. We're going to go ahead and do a little twist. So good. Let's go ahead and take the left hand to the outside of the right thigh, and the other hand's going to press down behind us, nice and close to the tailbone. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Breathing in, lift, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Breathing in and exhale, twist. Great. From here, let's look the opposite shoulder. Nice little smile here. Soften the shoulders, soften your hips. Keep that nice breath going in and out. One more breath in and exhale, release. Let's do the other side. Okay, so this is our right hand going to the outside of the left leg. The other hand is going to press nice and firmly into the chair behind us. Inhale, lift and lengthening. Exhale, twisting. Breathing in, lift, lengthen. Exhale, twist. 3 times the charm. Breathe in and exhale, twist. Great. In and exhale. Opposite shoulder. Breathing in here and out. In and exhale. Unwind. Well done. Take your arms all the way up. Touch the fingers. Touch. Breathe out. Let's take our hands to the sides of the legs. Go ahead and rub into the sides of your hips. Breathe in here, chest up. Then exhale. I want you to press all the way down the side of the legs here. Go only as far as you can go as you bend down. Pressing your feet firmly into the floor, engaging your belly muscles. Take your hands on the inside of the thighs. Inhale, inhale, tight belly. Come on all the way up, pressing on the inside of the legs, and then rolling the shoulders back and down. Okay, do that again. Breathe in, touch. Breathe out, hands to the side. Inhale, exhale, press all the way down. Tight belly, inhale, hands on the inside of the thighs, inside of the legs, and rolling the shoulders back and down. One more time. Breathing in, touch. Breathing out. Breathing in. Exhale, breathing out. Pressing firmly on the side of the legs. Tight belly, feet press into the floor. Come on up. Inhaling, pressing on the inside of the legs. And then exhaling, releasing. Now taking your hands to the lower back, I want you to go ahead and give it a little rub. Nice little rub here. Breathe in. And out, release the hands. Actually, rather hold them here where the heel of the hand is at the top of your pelvis, like the top of the hip bone, just kind of holding it and pressing it there. Fingertips are face down. Draw the belly in and lift your chest up to the sky. But lifting up the head, not all the way back, but just enough as though you're holding a really large grapefruit right between the chin and the chest. Inhaling here, tight belly, and then exhaling, releasing. Now, if your arms and your wrists are tight and stiff, you're gonna need to do this. So go ahead and shake out the wrists, and then go ahead and roll out the wrists now, outward and inward, please. And then go ahead and show me your little piano fingers. I used to play the piano when I was little. I'm not good. I was not good at piano. So lifting your fingers up all the way up to the sky. So I played the air piano and I'm amazing at it right now. Do you hear that? Do you see that? Right all the way up and all the way down. Go ahead and shake them out. And I hope you feel more invigorated and a little more energetic from doing that little practice with me. We're going to take our hands to the tops of our thighs. Let's go ahead and do a last cow and cat. Inhaling and then exhaling, rounding the back. Ooh, that feels good. We're going to do 2 more to make it 3 times a charm. Inhaling, exhaling. Last one, please. Breathing in and exhale, breathing out. Well done, everyone. If you're looking for other kinds of videos that include some acupressure points and some yoga stretches while on a chair, please check out my other videos. Leave me a comment. Love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Peace. Namaste.